Hello everyone, welcome to the Den. Today I'm doing something a little different. We're gonna do a dessert, and Easter is rapidly approaching, so I thought I would show you a super easy, simple 4-ingredient dessert that is always a crowd pleaser. It's portable if you want to bake it in one of these pans here like I'm going to do. So if you forget your dish, it's no problem because you don't have your Pyrex laying around in someone else's house, right? So we're gonna make a cherry pineapple dump cake. And like I said, super easy, super crowd pleasing, 4 ingredients. Let's get cooking. Okay, so all you're gonna need is a box of cake mix. You can use white or yellow, it doesn't really matter. You could even use the funfetti mix if you had that on hand. A can of cherry pie filling. You're also gonna need, this is, I think they only have one size. Maybe they have a smaller size too. But this is the big can. And then a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. This one is chunks, which I'm just gonna put in my Vitamix and crush it. So that'll work just fine. And a stick and a half of butter. And that is all. You could add nuts to this if you wanted to. My kids don't really like nuts, so I'm not adding nuts. So 4 ingredients and that's it. So I'm gonna show you how to make this. Stick around. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is set our oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna add here is our pineapple chunks. Next up, we're gonna just dump in the cherry pie filling. And this was crushed pineapple, not chunks. I'm just gonna give this a mix around so that the cherries and the pineapples are evenly distributed. And next up is our yellow cake mix. Then just take your spoon and evenly distribute the cake mix around the pan as well. I just like to have this as flat as possible because I have had this come out before where there is just raw flour cake mix just that hasn't got absorbed into the juice of the pineapple or the butter. So I just like to flatten it out as best I can before I put my butter on. Next up is our butter, and we're just gonna slice this onto the top of the cake, and we want to try to evenly distribute this butter as best we can. And you're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. I always set my timer for like 30 minutes and check on it, and then I'll set the timer for increments of 5 minutes for every time I check on it if it's still not done. Okay, so you're gonna take this out of the oven once it's brown on top and looks nice. Let it cool for a while. It is a bit jiggly, so give it some time to cool, but you can serve this warm with some ice cream and it is so good. Okay guys, so this is it. It's really good. It's easy, it's quick, 4 ingredients. Easter, dessert, do it. I'm telling you, it's really good. All right guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button as well. Get me in the algorithm so more people can see my videos, and I will see you all in the next one.